In terms of materials, your basic item is your 1/4 inch oak plywood. And it could be birch plywood or mahogany, but I don't recommend masonite. And then you'll need a tripod, of course, for holding the sketch easel, but we can get to that later. Now, if you don't have a table saw or a band saw, you can use any of these. A radial saw, like a skill saw, a powered jigsaw, or just a regular hand saw will work fine. A ruler for measuring, and a sanding block, which is just a piece of wood, basically. And then for sanding, 2 different grades of sandpaper. I have here an 80 and 240, but basically a rough and a smooth. You'll need a drill. You can use a hand crank drill or a power drill like this. Then for small tools and hardware, you'll need a pencil, a screwdriver, several different drills. This is a 3/4 inch Spade bit and a 1/4 inch Forstner bit, and a smaller drill to fit the size of your screws. And then these 3 hinges. These are called adjustable torque hinges, which allow you to set the tension for the hinge so it'll hold open at a certain angle with a lot of resistance. And then 12 small screws, 2 T-nuts, which are a 1/4 inch by a 3/4 inch wide flange, and then 2, either a wing bolt or a thumb screw, a smaller hinge with screws. This is a 2-ounce Nalgene jar for holding your water, a gripper, and then some 1/4 inch by 1/16 neodymium magnets. It's a very strong magnet. And finally, for gluing the project, you'll need Gorilla Glue, which is a good wood glue, a 2-part epoxy putty, or you can use Magic Sculpt, which is also a 2-part epoxy, and then a wood stain and tung oil, which makes a very nice finish for a sketch easel. If you want to see the rest of this video showing you how to make a sketch easel, follow the links to the download or the DVD. Okay, thanks for watching. You might want to check out my website or subscribe to my channel. And then here's a playlist with more good stuff and a video that continues the story. So check them out and share with your friends.